A deductible on a homeowner's insurance policy is the amount of money you need to pay out of your own pocket before your insurance company will start helping with a claim. Let's break down the difference between a fixed deductible and a percentage deductible. 1. Fixed deductible. This is a set amount that you pay if you file a claim. For example, if you have a $1,000 fixed deductible and your roof is damaged, you will pay $1,000 for the repairs, and the insurance company would cover the rest after the deductible. This amount does not change, no matter how much damage there is or how much your home is worth. 2. Percentage deductible. This type of deductible is a percentage of the insured value of your home. For example, if your home is insured for $200,000 and you have a 2% deductible, that means you would have to pay $4,000, 2% of $200,000, before your insurance kicks in. Percentage deductibles are often used in areas where there is a higher risk of things like hurricanes or earthquakes. Do you have to pay the deductible up front? Yes, when you file a claim, you typically have to pay the deductible before the insurance company will help pay for the damages. In most cases, your deductible is taken out of the insurance payment before it is sent to you. Here's how it generally works. 1. You file a claim for damage to your home. 2. The insurance company evaluates the damage and determines how much they will pay to repair it. 3. They deduct your deductible amount from that total. For example, if the damage costs $5,000 to repair, and you have a $1,000 deductible, the insurance company will pay you $4,000. 4. You then pay the contractor the full amount for repairs, in this case, $5,000, and the insurance company has already subtracted the deductible from their payment to you. So, if you have a fixed or percentage deductible, it will be deducted from the check the insurance company sends you, or directly to the contractor, and you are responsible for paying that amount to the contractor. In some cases, the insurance company might pay the contractor directly, and you will pay the deductible yourself. This ensures that you don't need to pay the deductible up front, but it does need to be settled as part of the repair process. If the cost of the repairs ends up being less than the insurance company paid you, the remaining balance, after you pay the deductible, is generally yours to keep. Here's how it works. 1. Insurance payment. After you file a claim, the insurance company sends you a payment based on their assessment of the damage. They subtract the deductible from this payment. 2. Repairs for less than expected. If the actual repairs cost less than what the insurance company estimated, for example, they paid you $5,000, but the repairs only cost $3,500, you would only pay the contractor the actual repair cost, in this case, $3,500. 3. Remaining balance. The difference between the insurance payout and the actual cost of repairs, in this example, $1,500, is yours to keep. You don't need to pay it back to the insurance company. This often happens when the contractor provides a lower cost solution, or there's less damage than originally estimated. Just make sure to keep any receipts or documentation showing the actual repair costs, in case the insurance company needs proof of what was done. No, you do not have to show the contractor how much the insurance company is paying for the repair. However, it might be helpful to share this information with the contractor for the following reasons. 1. Understanding the scope of work. Contractors may want to see the insurance estimate to understand the scope of repairs and ensure they are addressing all the damage listed by the insurance company. This helps avoid missing any covered repairs. 2. Transparency. While you're not required to show the contractor the exact payment from the insurance company, being transparent about how much the insurance is covering could help avoid misunderstandings, especially if the contractor is working with the insurance company directly. 3. Getting an accurate quote. Some contractors may ask for the insurance estimate to give you an accurate quote, especially if you're expecting them to work with the insurance payment or handle the claim process. Keep in mind, the contractor should provide a separate estimate based on the actual repairs, and if it's less than the insurance payout, you typically keep the difference. The contractor does not need to know how much you're getting from the insurance, but they may want to know if the insurance will be paying them directly or if you will be paying them, so they know how to structure the payment. Ultimately, it's your choice whether or not to share the insurance payment details, but it could be helpful for smoother communication with the contractor. To find out more great information, get your copy of KISS Public Claim Adjuster Study Guide from Amazon.